Hi, chemistry. Now I'm just having fun and messing around. But I thought since we had collected all this gas in this bag, why not test it out? So, my question to you, I have some matches here, and I have a bag full of gas. What do you think is going to happen when I put a lit match into this bag of carbon dioxide? Talk amongst yourselves. Tell me what you think is going to happen. Is Sluss going to blow up? Hopefully not. So let's just make sure the matches work, and let's see what happens just when we light it. Okay, there it is. It's lighting. It's lit. Woohoo! Okay, so we've got that. Cup right there. Okay, let me see if I can go out a little bit more. Okay, let's see what's going to happen when I put a match in a bag with CO2, because that's what it is, a carbon dioxide gas. Okay, we'll see if I can do this safely. Here we go. Without burning plastic or catching myself on fire. Whoa! Did you just see that? Holy moly. Let's do it again. What the heck just happened? I'm sorry you can't do this at home, but actually you could if you had vinegar. What? It just went out again. One more time. You should smell it in here. It smells like burnt matches. Oh my God. Everything's okay. The match broke. We are okay, but this is probably why I shouldn't be doing science at my desk, right? Because that's where I have my computer and the camera. So try not to break a match again or light my computer on fire. Okay, let's do it one more time. Why not? Do you see that? It just goes instantly out. What's going on? Think about that with combustion as we talk about that later in the year. Thank you.